We are pleased to show you the 2022 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.